GURUTAM.
Okay, so I'm going to discuss with the CBSE sample paper. CBSE has released the sample paper now. Okay, so this sample paper I'm going to discuss. So what they have done, what they have not done. So we are going to look how the questions will come in the CBSE exams. I'm going to discuss with you that. Okay, so they have given section A will consist of 20 mark, 20 questions each mark, right? And you can see here you have to attempt 16 questions. Section B also 20 questions, one each mark, and you have to attempt 16 questions. So 32 questions you have to attempt here. And case study, they will give you the 2 case study. In the 2 case study, there will be the 10 questions, and you need to attempt 8 questions. Again, Again, I'm saying this is the standard paper I'm talking. Okay. So now you can see the level of the questions they have given here. Why I'm showing you these papers. If you see the question number 2 here, right? So question number 2, do you think that it's easy?
No, sir.
Yeah. So here they have given 1 marker. So what I thought I will show you a few examples here that previously which comes in the 2 marker or 3 marker, they have given the question here in the 1 marker. Okay. So you can see question like question number 2, question number 6, you can see here. Okay. Question number 7, you can see here, right? So these are the questions which are literally 2 marker questions, but CBSE has given in the 1 marker. So you need to be very serious that the level of the question is not easy. So level of the question is as same as the previous examination the CBSE has conducted. So in the previous examination where the CBSE has given 2 marker questions, 3 marker questions, now they have given in the 1 marker questions. You can see question number 13. I do think it's a very easy. No, it's not an easy. Same again here, question number 14, right? It's not 1 marker. It's actually the 2 marker questions, but they have given in the 1 marker, right? This question is for the 2 marker, but they have given in the 1 marker. Again, the same problem, 17 number, 18 number problems, right? So you can see this question is also not an easy problem. Now coming to the section B here, section B graph, it's okay, fine. But do you think this question is a 1 marker? No, it's not. The level of the question number 24, you can see the level of question number 24. Why it's not 1 marker? I'm saying the reason behind for solving this, you need to write down the steps, right? Yes, steps you will write in a rough note. I agree with you, but still you need to solve. You cannot just looking the problem and you will just tick the mark. You cannot do that. That you are just looking the problem and you are just giving the tick mark is not. It's not possible in the maths. Social science you can do that. In English you can do that. In chemistry, in biology you can just read the problem and you can tick the mark. But in physics and in the mathematics you need to solve the problems. And for solving problem you need what? You need speed. Now, we cannot fight with the CBSE that why they have given like this. So the strategy should be you need to speed up your things. That means earlier, earlier you get normally 36 questions. Okay, I will just write down here. Okay, give me a moment. Earlier you get how many questions? You get 36 questions. And what was the time limit? The time limit was 3 hours, right? Now the problem is you need to attempt 40 questions. You need to attempt 40 questions in just 1.5 hours. Now you can see the level is not decreasing. Level is still the same. Now the number of questions has increased and the time has been decreased. Due to this reason, the paper becomes tough. Paper will become tough. That's the main thing. That is my main concern, which I want to tell every student. So please tighten your seat belt. Okay. This flight this time this flight is not going to be easy. Many people are thinking, oh, one marker will be the easy problems, but now the CBSE has cleared here. They are not going to ask the easy questions. If they will ask the easy question in the final, that's very good. That's very appreciating. But right now, as by looking the CBSE sample paper, I can say that the level of the question are not easy. The level of the question is exactly the same as previous. And due to reduction of the time, this paper become tough. So guys, everyone, you need to be very clear. Now you can see the example number 28. So here the 28, do you think it's very easy? No, it's not easy. No, now look, vertices of parallelogram, right? Can you see that? Is it easy? No, it's again not easy. It's 2 marker questions. You can go through the previous sample paper of the CBSE board and you can verify it. Whatever I'm saying, you can verify it. Okay. Again, this problem number 30 is not very simple one. It's 2 marker problem, 2 marker problems, and they have given just one. The equation of the perpendicular bisector, the 31 number, again the same. You can see many examples I have here, which I can show to you that the paper is not going to be easy. The CBSE has taken this exactly the level of the question, same as the previous examination, but they have put it in the 1 marker. And it's really problematic for every student of the class 10th. So for the class 10th students, please gear up with your things. That means you need to solve the problems and you need to speed up your strategies. That means for each question, hardly you will get around 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes you will get it. So in the because what is the problem? In other subjects, yes, you can say that I will read the problem, I can do the tick mark. But here you have to solve it in the rough notebook itself. Without solving, how you can tick mark which option is right? You cannot judge it. You can see the 35 number. Still, this is the 3 marker question. It's not easy. It's a 3 marker question and they have given in the 1 marker. 36 number. Still, this question comes in the 2 marker. It's not an easy problem. It's 2 marker problem and they have given it 1 marker. So the level of again, I'm saying the level of the question is as same as the previous, which you do in 3 hours. Now they have given in 1 marker. 40 number question. You can see this level is easy. No, it's 2 marker problem, but they have given you. So please gear up. Again, you can see I have gone through all these. You can see here I have gone through all these. Okay, so these are options given doesn't mean that it's going to be the easy. I will give you one example. I think you have heard about the competitive government jobs examination, right? In the government job examination, the examiners, the exam conducting people says that it's a 10th level problem, 6th to 10th level problem they ask. But what is the problem? Why everyone is not going to clear the exam? Only few people clear the exam. Why? Because there is a same problem. They have to solve a lot of questions. The levels are high and a lot of questions they have to solve. So many people are unable to complete the paper on time. Same thing will happen with you guys. I'm sure if the level of question will remain as same as shown in this sample paper, many of the students will complain after the exam, sir, I didn't get the time to solve all the questions. I know the questions, how to solve, but I didn't get the time. So time management is very important here. So I request all the students, please gear up. And for how to solve these MCQs, this is very challenging. How challenging? Because you need to manage the time also. If you will go stepwise, you can't solve it. So your strategy should be changed now. So I request all of the students to gear up, to get the training from the proper team, proper faculties. Okay?
Thank you. Stay connected.